So we have a picture here of drug concentration. So somebody gets an injection of some medicine, and that drug concentration is over here on the y-axis. It's milligrams per 1,000 milliliters. And so you're starting out without the injection, and then over time, the amount in your bloodstream is going to change. So it's going up quickly, and then it starts to slowly dissipate, I guess. And, you know, by the time 12 hours are up, then it's kind of out of your bloodstream. Okay, so I don't know, obviously, too much about medicine. Okay, so the top right here, then, is this 0.3. I'll write it again because it's so blurry. 0.05. So that's after 3 hours, you're having a concentration that's at its highest of 0.05 milligrams per 100 milliliters. Okay. After 7 hours, it's gone down to 0.02 milligrams per 100 milliliters. Okay, so those are the two ordered pairs. And then we're going to, let me just check here, find the average rate of change in drug's concentration between 3 and 7 hours. So I'm going to scroll up. But you're trying to find then the slope of that secant line right there between 3 and 7. So you're saying average rate of change is going to be f of x sub 2 minus f of x sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And remember our units here. It's milligrams per 100 milliliters, and then this is per hour. Okay? So it's the change per hour. And we're talking about between the hours of 3 and 7, what is that change? Okay, to find f of x sub 2, this is going to be your x sub 2 and your y sub 2. Or you could say f of x sub 2, I guess that's what I should say. And then this is x sub 1, and this is f of x sub 1. Okay, because it's this function that they've given us. All right, so 0.02 minus 0.05 over, and then that's going to be 7 minus 3. So hopefully you can see where all of that's coming. Now look at that orange line. You're looking at that line. Do you expect the slope to be positive, negative, 0, or undefined? Well, hopefully you said negative because it's decreasing, right? The amount of concentration in the bloodstream, it went up at first, but between hours 3 and 7, it's going down. Okay, so we can put this in our calculator, but it's going to be like negative 0.03 divided by 4. So let's see what that is. 0.03 divided by 4. 0.00 negative 0.0075. And that's what it's decreasing. That's how many milligrams it's, decreasing per hour. Okay, and that's milligrams in 100 milliliters. Okay, so that would be then the average rate of change. It's decreasing by 0.0075 milligrams per hour.